If you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting for the Atlanta market to shift, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Buyers finally have leverage, but here's the problem. Most people still don't know how to use it. Buyer leverage doesn't mean prices are crashing. It means buyers now have options, time, and negotiating power. Sellers are no longer in complete control, and that changes how deals get done. Right now in the Atlanta housing market, median prices are around 430K. Homes are sitting 50 to 60 days on average. Inventory is up roughly 20% year over year, and about one third of listings are seeing price reductions. This isn't a crash, it's a correction. Buyers are slower, more selective, and sellers who miss the mark on pricing are getting exposed. This is where it gets interesting. Buyer leverage isn't everywhere, it's very specific. Higher price points, especially over 900K, are seeing the most hesitation. Condos, especially in Buckhead, are still soft. Homes that are outdated or overpriced are sitting longer and becoming negotiable. Meanwhile, well priced homes under 800K are still moving, so you don't have as much room there. Let's break this down locally. In Sandy Springs, you're seeing median prices around the mid 500s, with homes moving in about 45 to 60 days. This area gives you more space, better value, and often better tax positioning. In Buckhead, prices are pushing 700K and beyond, but days on market stretch closer to 60 to 80 days, especially at the higher end. Luxury buyers are hesitating and condos are still lagging. Translation: Sandy Springs is where you find value. Buckhead is where you pay for lifestyle and location, but right now you can negotiate more than people think. Here's what's really happening behind the scenes. That creates opportunity for you as a buyer because now you're negotiating with someone who's already adjusting expectations. A lot of sellers are still pricing based on last year's market. They sit, get no traction, then start cutting price. That creates opportunity for you as a buyer because now you're negotiating with someone who's already adjusting expectations. This is where most buyers mess up. They either lowball too aggressively and get ignored, or they wait too long thinking prices will drop more. The smarter play is targeted negotiation. Look for days on market, price reductions, and seller motivation. That's where you structure strong offers with leverage, not just guesses. The biggest mistake right now is waiting for a crash that isn't coming. While you're waiting, other buyers are quietly negotiating better deals. If you want to know exactly where you can negotiate right now in Atlanta, I'll show you. Reach out and I'll send you the best opportunities based on your price range and goals. I help buyers make smart decisions, not just fast ones. If this video helped you, go ahead and like it so more people can find it, and subscribe for weekly Atlanta real estate insights. If you want help with your specific situation, feel free to reach out and let's get you the clarity and direction you need.